Now at 10, new video showing evidence of avalanches as mountain communities brace for flooding from a new winter storm that's heading our way. Snow slides and snow melt are the big concerns with wet winter weather moving towards Southern California.
And tonight we're hearing that several people died as the mountains were buried in up to 10 feet of snow. KTLA's Sandra Mitchell live in San Bernardino with new information tonight. Sandra.
Yeah, Micah, there are new worries tonight as we get ready for a round of rain that starts moving in tomorrow night. Of course, the big concern is that rain mixed with melting snow could cause dangerous flooding. And as you mentioned, Micah, we do have new confirmed deaths tonight. More bodies found in snow-covered San Bernardino. The sheriff's department now says 12 people have been found dead since last month's brutal storm.
There's going to be a lot more.
Volunteer Megan Vasquez talked to us by telephone.
It's been very cold here. It's been below freezing. So if somebody didn't have electricity or gas to heat their home, they may have froze to death. I mean, it's shocking.
The sheriff's department says only one of the deaths was storm-related, but with another winter storm moving in, conditions are still life-threatening.
There's concerns with the rains and the snows that are in the forecast. It looks like it's going to be primarily rain from what I'm hearing, but that could possibly change. But there is concerns with that. There's a lot of snow on the ground that could cause some ice damming and increased weight loads on roofs.
Firefighters really struggling to clear tons of snow as more roofs collapse and natural gas fires erupt. Frustration and fear as many are still trapped, their homes buried in 10-foot drifts.
When that deck collapsed, it covered their exit out of their home. It fell on their cars. So, one of the things that she said is, my house is cracking.
The sheriff's department reports there are 500 emergency responders in the area, including the National Guard. But those who live here say that is still not enough.
We are mountain strong, and we've always stuck together through thick and thin. But this is far beyond us. We need FEMA, and we need help.
So 12 days after this all started, we need help is the message for those who can get out of their homes at Valley of Enchantment Elementary School, also at Goodwin's Market. Just some of the spots where you can pick up supplies. We're talking about food and water, diapers, baby formula. It will be available at least for the next several days. We're live tonight in San Bernardino. I'm Sandra Mitchell, KTLA 5 News. Micah, Mary Beth, back to you.
All right, Sandra, thank you.